first rates, it's a shade of green, not like a very big hurrah anywhere. But some of the prominent names where block deals are done, they are popping right back up. So you got IRB Infra 8% lower. You got Interglobe, where the deal was supposed to happen at a 7% discount, but only 3% down now. That deal has happened. You've got Reliance Power 6% higher. Hindustan Construction 5% higher. So I think the day really belongs to the chotu stocks. The two-digit stocks, which in a sense are now really jumping on the bandwagon, so to speak, because staples came back when there was uncertainty. PSUs, private banks came back when there was clarity, and tiny toons, which I always say, the chotu stocks, the tailenders, they come back when there is excitement. So the fact that we are at an all-time high and FIs are back and the concerns in the market are over, looks like excitement is the mood point in terms of the market action. Otherwise, a name like GTL Infra or Hoodco or NBCC, all these stocks which in a sense have a government bent to it, especially let's say NBCC. Will anything change now that the portfolio is clear? The answer to that is no. Will anything change for Hoodco? The answer to that is no. Ashwini Vaishnav is still the railway minister. And that means railway stocks, nothing changes. Nitin Gadkari is the surface transport and highway minister, which means that the good work what is happening in that industry, it will continue. Similarly, Nirmala Sitharaman is the finance minister, still the finance minister, which means the good work what the finance ministry has done in terms of directionally bringing tax rates down, controlling the fiscal deficit, everything on that account will continue, and that is what I think markets are voting for.
Right, Interglobe Aviation seems like that block deal has happened. About 2% equity has changed hands. The stock is lower by about 126 odd points as we speak right now. There's TRIL as well, wherein the QIP has been launched. They're looking to raise about 500 odd crore rupees. Vodafone, of course, is the other one which is going to be in focus. There's a board meet on June 3rd. They're looking to consider issuance of equity shares or convertible securities. HCC as well, Elara has initiated coverage on the stock with a 65% upside. Sun Pharma as well, we were talking about it earlier today. Macquarie maintains an outperform. They're calling it a consistent compounder. The target price has now been upped, which indicates a 6% upside from the current market price, that of 1590 thereabouts. Not just IndiGo, by the way, there's supposed to be a block deal in both Honasa as well as IRB Infra too. And IRB Infra is a very big one, 5.5% lower. For 5.5% equity has changed hands, I beg your pardon, for IRB Infra, and Honasa is the other one where we were anticipating a block deal too. Poonawalla FinCorp, and I would be intrigued to look at this particular counter because Abhay Bhutada has sold over 300 crores worth of shares yesterday. Remember, the stock was tanking yesterday and the market was wondering what really went by. Poonawalla FinCorp currently though holding up about 3.25% as we speak right now. For the index though, it's a very, very muted start. There's RVNL, which has been the lowest bidder for another project worth about 1,384 crore rupees. It's a joint venture backed order wherein the total size is about 394 odd crore rupees. So look out for some of these names. For JBM Auto, one of their arm has delivered 43 electric buses to the Macquarie Group. So that's going to be another stock which is going to be in focus. And cement, I guess, would be a beneficiary considering just after taking office, the cabinet has decided to further expand the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. So not just cement, which was a big buzzer yesterday, but also some of the microfinance names would also come to the fore. So yeah, most of these stocks are the ones which are really in the limelight this morning. But